Most people think their weed problem is the weeds. It's not. The real problem is using methods that keep you fighting the same weeds again and again. Pulling weeds often leaves roots behind, and many weed killers don't stop them from coming back. In this video, I'll show you 5 homemade weed killer recipes that can help eliminate stubborn weeds in driveways, pavers, and other problem areas. Stay until the end, because one simple ingredient completely changed my approach to weed control. What's the toughest weed you've had to remove? Let me know in the comments. Just one use and weeds disappear for good. Weeds growing between paving stones or in the garden can be a real nightmare and often come back despite all efforts. But no weed can survive this home method. You won't spend hours on your knees pulling them out anymore. To make the spray, you only need 3 ingredients you surely already have at home. Pour about 2 cups of warm water into a tall container. Then take vinegar and measure out about 1 cup. Vinegar is effective against weeds because it contains acetic acid, which strongly damages plants. Pour it into the container. Now take salt and add 1 tablespoon. It dehydrates and disrupts the water balance in weed cells. Mix everything well. Prepare a spray bottle to make application easier and pour the liquid inside. Spray the weeds growing between paving stones. Do it on a hot, sunny day so the mixture absorbs faster into the soil and plants. Repeat every few days. Wait until the weeds die and dry out. Forget about pulling them out by hand. Let the spray do the work for you. That recipe works great for everyday weed problems, but if you're dealing with stubborn weeds that keep coming back in the same spots, the next mixture adds an extra ingredient that helps the solution cling to the leaves longer and work even harder. This homemade mixture gets rid of weeds faster than you think. You only need a few simple ingredients to get rid of weeds without constantly pulling them out by hand. It works especially well in places that are hard to reach or where regular weeding takes too much time. The first ingredient is salt, which helps dry out weeds and limit their further growth. Add about 5 tablespoons of salt to a large bowl. This will help unwanted plants gradually weaken and dry out. Next, pour in about 1 cup of red dish soap because it sticks well to weed leaves and makes the mixture work even more effectively. The next ingredient is vinegar, which helps weaken unwanted plants thanks to its acidity. Measure out about 1 cup of vinegar and add it to the other ingredients. Then pour in about 2 cups of water. Mix everything very thoroughly so all the ingredients combine well. Prepare an empty bottle and carefully pour the finished liquid into it. Then take the cap and use a heated tool to make several small holes in it so you can easily pour the liquid over the weeds. Screw the cap back on and your homemade solution is ready to use. Pour it over spots in the garden, especially between pavers, along paths, and wherever weeds appear most often. After some time, you will notice the weeds starting to dry out, and your garden will look much cleaner and neater. Apply it only to specific spots so you don't damage other plants. Now, if you're looking for something even faster, this next recipe is for those moments when weeds suddenly take over your driveway, garage entrance, or sidewalk, and you want results as quickly as possible. Just a drop, and weeds will instantly dry out, killing the entire plant down to the roots. It's the fastest and most effective weed killer I know. When weeds appear on the driveway or garage, you'll want to get rid of them quickly. This spray is perfect for that. Simply spray it on the weeds and you're done. It's non-toxic, inexpensive, and eliminates the need to manually pull weeds. The spray will eradicate the entire plant, roots and all. To make the spray, mix about 500 milliliters of water with 1 tablespoon of salt until dissolved. Then add 200 milliliters of vinegar and mix again. Transfer the mixture to a spray bottle. Shake well before use. For best results, apply on a sunny day to maximize the drying effect on the weeds. You'll see them dry out quickly. Once they're dry, removing them is a breeze. This simple yet highly effective vinegar and salt spray will safely handle your weed problem. As effective as that recipe is, there's one small tweak that can help the solution spread more evenly across the weed's surface. And that's exactly what the next formula is designed to do. Just a tablespoon of this, and the weeds will dry up like they've been treated with the strongest herbicide. It destroys the entire plant, even down to the roots. When you spot them on the pavement in front of your house, you'll definitely want to get rid of them as quickly as possible. This method contains no harmful ingredients and is very affordable. In a large container, pour 10 ounces of water. The next ingredient is vinegar, which blocks the growth of the weeds. Add 10 ounces of vinegar to the container. Now it's time for the red powder. It irritates the leaves and burns the plants from the inside. Add 1 teaspoon of hot red pepper. Then add 1 teaspoon of table salt. The salt enters the plant cells and draws out the water, causing them to wilt. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. This will help the mixture stick to the leaves more effectively. Mix everything thoroughly and vigorously. Strain the mixture through cheesecloth to remove small particles and get a clear liquid. Spray the weeds directly on the leaves and at the base. Within just a few hours, the plants will start wilting. They'll disappear without a trace. You won't need any store-bought chemicals anymore. This is an affordable method that really works. As effective as that recipe is, there's one small tweak that can help the solution spread more evenly across the weed's surface. And that's exactly what the next formula is designed to do. Weeds growing on your driveway or sidewalk? Here's a quick and natural spray recipe. The plants will disappear without the need for scraping or pulling out roots. No more hours spent on your knees yanking them out. You only need 3 ingredients you probably already have at home. Grab a small spray bottle. Pour in about 10 fluid ounces of warm water. Add 1 tablespoon of dish soap. It doesn't kill the weeds, but plays an important role. It reduces the surface tension of the water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt dehydrates and disrupts the water balance in the weed cells. The last ingredient is vinegar. Pour in about 2 fluid ounces. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which is harsh on plants and helps kill them quickly. Mix it all up and you're ready. Spray the weeds growing between your pavers. It's best to do this on a hot or sunny day, as the sun speeds up absorption into the soil and plants. Repeat every few days. The weeds will slowly dry out and die. No more pulling by hand, just spray and let the mix do the work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. We share simple home, garden, and DIY tips every week that can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. And don't forget to answer today's question in the comments. What's your favorite thing about your garden? I always enjoy reading your stories and seeing what you've created. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.